We'll even cash your hard-earned checks with a low 3.9% charge. No waiting and no hidden fees. Just cash in your pocket today. So generate some cash with Cash Generator. Find us in Rivergate Centre, Peterborough. The Rivergate Centre, Peterborough, where you'll always find a big, friendly welcome. Find us online at rivergate-centre.co.uk.
Peterborough Garden Park has so much to offer, with unbelievable discounts all year round. You'll find man-made garden centre, Cotswold Outdoor, Hobbycraft, T-Fab and many more. In fact, everything you need for a fashion to your humble garden, all in one place. Peterborough Garden Park, with plenty of stores and free parking. It's shopping made easy. Find us just off the I roundabout, or visit peterborougghgardenpark.co.uk.
Landlords, get more out of your property. Get year-round income with Northwood's guaranteed rental contract. Northwood, Peterborough 8-982. Gold Drive Time.
With FRM Automotive, Searle Road, Peterborough. Service your car's air conditioning today. It's gold with the latest travel news. Next.
More services for the price of two on the Volkswagen Caddy and Transporter. Amazing.
Oh, hold on. Us builders weren't born yesterday, you know. I suppose you want a free extension as part of the deal, don't they?
James, there really is no need.
You really can get full services for the price of two on the Caddy and Transporter with all Volkswagen finance.
Volkswagen Commercial Vehicles, working with you to bring you great value.
Available on any new Caddy or Transporter panel van purchased through Volkswagen Finance. Participating van centres only until 31st of March. Terms and conditions apply. Business users only.
With Broomgate Kia, your destination for Kia in Peterborough.
Good afternoon. The wash road is closed in both directions between New Road and Last Drive as because of flooding that's happened. In Doddington and Enwith Road, that's closed in both directions between Hospital Road and Flats Ferry Road. That's because of an accident happened a little earlier. There is some recovery work that's now taking place. Sutton Court in both directions is closed at the moment in Ferry Lane on Westminster Road. That's because of flooding as well. Yes, in Catherine Fighting Road is closed, so there's diversion routes by Bolton Road and on towards the A14. It's starting to build up a little bit now on our sensors. That's the latest.
The greatest hits of all time is gold.
Good afternoon, Uncle Coit, 4:45 in the Beach Boys now. Come on.
I'll make you so sure about